Everyone online is screaming that content creation is dead. They're saying it's oversaturated, it's too late. But what if we told you that 2026 is actually the most unprecedented time in social media history to build a content creator business? There are 5 massive trends converging right now that are leveling the playing field for all of us. And if you're not paying attention, you might miss the biggest opportunity of the past decade.
Hey everyone, we're the Branding Fix. We are 2 solo bloggers turned co-workers documenting how we're rebuilding our blogs and content in the age of AI. So welcome to co-working, clock in, get comfy in your chair, and let's get to work because content creation and blogging is our business. Today we're going to be breaking down exactly why 2026 is your year to finally build that creator business that you've been thinking about forever. And honestly, after researching this, we are even more excited about the future than we've been in years.
So let's address the elephant in the room. If you're scrolling social media right now, all you're seeing is doom and gloom, and lots of ads, of course. AI is replacing content creators, the market is oversaturated, the algorithm hates everyone, you and I included, but most importantly, you're too late to the game. And maybe you're sitting there thinking, should I even bother starting this? Is there any room left for me? There's someone else saying what I want to say. Trust us, we get it, the noise is overwhelming, and it feels like everyone's already doing what you want to do. But here's what everyone screaming about the end is completely missing. There are 5 specific trends happening in 2026 that change absolutely everything. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly why now is actually your moment. So here are the 5 trends we are diving into today. Number 1 is the individual empire and why AI actually makes you more valuable, not less. Number 2 is social live shopping. This is literally your QVC moment, but it's on steroids. Number 3 is interest media, how content finds the audience now, not the other way around. Number 4, authenticity as currency, why trust is the new moneymaker. And number 5, brand is everything. This is the mechanism that converts attention into actual value. And we're going to break each one down with real examples today and show you exactly how you can capitalize on these shifts. So let's jump into trend number 1.
All right, so trend number 1 is the individual empire. And this is the foundation for everything else that we're going to talk about. Here's the reality. AI can replicate products. It can replicate services. It can even replicate content. But the one thing that AI cannot replicate is you, your personal brand, your authentic reputation, your own unique perspective and lived experience. And this is why we're calling it the individual empire, because in a world where AI can just automate almost everything, the individual human becomes the most valuable asset, meaning your voice, your story, the way you see the world, that's your secret sauce. That's what nobody else can copy. So think about it. When you're scrolling and you see any generic AI content or advice versus someone that is sharing their real journey, their real failures, their wins, which one do you actually trust more? And which one are you more willing to recommend? If you said the real person, exactly. This is why your personal brand is so important and why those are going to explode right now and in the future. People don't want anymore those faceless, corporate feel and generic videos or content anymore. They want to buy from people that they know, like, and trust. They want to learn from real humans and they want to be there for the journey. Basically, they want to find the people that have been where they are. So if you've been thinking, I am just one person, how can I compete with any of these bigger brands? This is your answer. You are not competing with them. You're going to offer people something that they cannot provide. Your authenticity, that human connection, and your authentic voice isn't just your brand. It's actually how you're going to monetize as well, which brings us directly to trend number 2.
Yes, trend number 2 is social live shopping. And if you sell any physical products or plan to send physical products, listen up because this is literally your QVC moment on steroids. So platforms like TikTok Shop, Whatnot, Instagram Shopping, these are all massive attention spaces right now. Like we are talking about the modern version of the home shopping network. So here's the thing, live social shopping is already big in Asia, and it's going to come to the US, and it's going to be a multi-billion-dollar business. Most of the online retail is going in that direction. And I think that is a fundamental shift for how people buy things now and in the future. And the best part about all of this is you don't need a massive following to make money. There's so many small creators out there who are making bank through these direct monetization opportunities on these platforms. So there's no middleman anymore, no complicated funnels, just you, your audience, your products, and again, your voice and your brand. And here's another interesting tidbit. It's not just about selling your own products as well. You can do affiliate partnerships where you can showcase other brands, and you can go live and sell products in real time while also building that community and earning that income. So this is where QVC and social media really collide, and that is a big thing happening right now. So if you're not exploring this or looking into this or watching someone else sell on TikTok Shop and whatnot, you are leaving money on the table. Because here's the thing, reach doesn't matter if no one is seeing your content in the first place, which is actually going to take us straight into trend number 3, because that also changes the game.
Trend number 3 is that content finds the audience. And this is the biggest shift in social media history. We're going to go from social media to interest media. We have a whole video on that I'm going to leave linked up here and in the description that you can dive into more. But here's what's changed. It used to be that you needed a massive following to get any reach. You would post something and only your existing followers would see it. But that's not how social media works anymore. Algorithms now prioritize content that is relevant over the follower count. So it really doesn't matter who's following you, just that they're interested in the topic that you're talking about. If you make valuable content about a specific niche topic, the algorithm will push it to the people who care about that topic, even if they've never heard about you before. We're seeing it with our own content right now, and this is interest media. The platform is literally finding your audience for you based on what they are interested in, not who they follow. And this means that anyone, and I mean anyone, making valuable niche content can reach millions. You don't need to have 100,000 followers to reach 100,000 people. You just need to make that one good piece of content that will resonate, and it will find the right audience. And then you rinse and repeat. Like, even think about how you found this video. You probably don't know us. You weren't subscribed to our channel, but the algorithm knew that you were interested in building a creator business in 2026, so it showed you this video. That is interest media in action. And this is why new creators can gain traction so rapidly now. You are not fighting for attention from your small follower base. You are getting distributed to everyone who cares about your topic. But, and this is a big but, with all of this opportunity comes one critical challenge, because as more content becomes sales driven, one thing becomes non-negotiable, which is the next trend.
And the next trend number 4, is that authenticity is the new currency. And this is where a lot of creators are going to fail, unfortunately, in 2026. Because here's the reality. As everything becomes more sales driven, we have live social shopping, affiliate content, sponsored posts, and all the things, trust becomes the new currency. People can smell inauthenticity now from a mile away, because let's be real, social media has been around for over 20 years at this point. So yes, we are tired of being sold to. And with live social shopping requiring that genuine connection, and then interest media rewarding valuable content, all of these will die without authenticity. So if people don't trust you, they're not going to buy from you, and they're definitely not going to stick around. And this is where all those short-term hacks are going to fail. So you can't search, what am I going to post this week, or follow a strict and rigid 30-day content calendar. You can't manufacture trust overnight. You can't hack that. This will be built over time through consistent, valuable, and honest content. So if you're thinking about jumping into content creation today just to make some quick money, it's not going to work. However, if you're genuinely passionate about your niche and your topic, if you actually care about helping your audience get from point A to point B, and if you're willing to show up as your real authentic self, that's when you'll win. Because in a sea of sales-driven content, ads thrown at you left and right, it's those creators who build that genuine trust, that genuine connection, who are showing up consistently. Those are the ones that will build sustainable businesses. So if you're serious about content creation, you need to build trust. And building that trust all comes down to one thing: which is the next trend.
And we say this all the time, but trend number 5 is that brand is everything. This is the trend that ties all of these things together. So basically, interest media will give you reach. It puts your content in front of millions of people. But brand is what converts that fleeting attention into lasting value. So think about it this way. Someone can watch 100 videos about blogging or content creation or whatever your niche is, but they will subscribe to you because of how you make them feel, what you stand for, what you stand against, the transformation that you're promising them. Your brand is the mechanism that will turn those views into subscribers, and those subscribers into customers, and those customers into a community. It's what makes people come back to you specifically instead of just consuming random content. And in 2026, with interest media giving everyone a shot at reach, brand becomes your differentiator. It's not about who has the most followers anymore. It's about who has the strongest connection with their audience. So your brand is your reputation. It's the promise that you make and you consistently deliver on. It's why someone chooses your content over someone else's, why they buy your product, why they trust your recommendations. And here's the thing, you cannot build brand by accident. You need clarity on who you are, who you serve, what transformation you provide, and how you're different from everyone else that's saying the same thing, which is exactly why we created something specifically designed to help you achieve that.
So if you're sitting here thinking, okay, I hear you, I get it, 2026 is the year. But you might be wondering, how do I actually build this brand you're talking about? Well, we've got you because we created a free 10-day Fix Your Brand challenge that will give you the step-by-step guidance you need to finally clarify who you are, who you serve, and what to post every single day or 5 days a week or 3 without overwhelm. And no, we're not talking about generic advice that you can get from ChatGPT. No, we are walking you through everything. So from day 1, you're going to do a brand audit. Then we help you find your North Star. We're going to help you define your archetype, your identity, and getting crystal clear on the transformation you're providing through your content. And we're also covering your categories, your pillars, your profit path, and even your rest plan. Because let's be real, burnout is real, and we're not about that hustle till you drop mentality. So if you're serious about doing it this year, join the challenge. It's completely free. We've designed it to be super actionable. Like, you're not just learning theory here, you're actually building your brand as you go through it. So check out our dedicated challenge video. The link is in the description, and we'll include a tag up here because we'll walk you through every single step. And by the end of the video, or if you sign up for the 10-day challenge, you'll have complete clarity on your brand and what you need to create. And again, no overwhelm, just clarity. And if you're serious about building in 2026, this is where you start.
And this is why 2026 is your year. It's time to clock out on all the strategy talk and clock into actually building your brand. So drop a comment and tell us which of these 5 trends excites you the most or what scares you the most, because we read every single one of your comments and we want to cheer you on, but also it would help us create the content that you need next. Now is also a great time to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We gather here every Friday, every single week, and we co-work together. So we'll see you back here in the next video, and now go build that creator business in 2026. Bye.